Harbor Freight, Home Depot. I'm not supposed to in it. And my father-in-law house to get a tool, because he have all the good tools, the expensive stuff, and we need something that'll cut through a brick so that we are able to like cut certain pieces to fit around certain areas. But yeah, so hopefully we'll be home by, what you say, by 12? Yeah, I'll say by 12. It's a 0% chance of rain today. Right now it's like 72 degrees. Hopefully it don't, I'm pretty sure it'll get a little hotter. Hopefully it's not as hot as it was yesterday. Yesterday was scorching. It was hot as hell yesterday. But we are determined to get this done, at least one side today, and then we'll work on the other side. What, next week?
Yeah, when I go on Harbor Freight, I need to get a water speaker so I don't have to hook that pressure washer.
Yeah. Bring it back up, baby. Because that stuff won't blow. Okay, the red thing. Alright, so cement down as an edger to keep the bricks from shifting. And we're gonna fill in some more of these holes with polymeric sand. And we're just gonna cover this with soil and then put some grass seeds down and hope that the grass grows. I think you were supposed to miss one now, man. Everybody else I saw miss, yeah, did more of a mist. So hopefully the polymeric sand in here will dry and bond, and it looked like something we tried. So my Amazon package just came in while we're out here working in the yard. And look what it is. It is so pretty. It's a rug. Let's see. It's to go over this little thing here. And then. How it look? We just gotta put some more plants and stuff in here. We gonna redo that. I don't like that metal part. We gotta figure out, because the brick's not fitting in there correctly. So it's playing around with other bricks, but I don't like that. Alright, so Walmart got these trees here for $7.48. My mother-in-law called me and told me about it. So I got 2 of them. Let me see what the price is. $7.48, no, $7.44. And then I got some, the lady was telling me how to take care of them because I don't have a green thumb. But I am so excited. Now I am going to take and put them in another pot, but not right now. Don't like that pot. Huh? Yeah. How much is that one? I like that gray one better. So we have one side kind of done. not all the way. We still have to put caps on the 2 columns. The plants came from Walmart, as you know, for $7.44. And this little plant on this side is one that we already had. I initially was going to throw it away because I didn't like it, but I just decided to replant it on the side. We're going to build another small wall on that side and add rocks. Alright, you guys, so we capped one of them with the, I want to say this is called the Ashley blend. So our pavers consist of Ashley blend, this is Cafe, and then some of them are the Sierra blend, with the Sierra blend being, no, the Cafe blend, which is that one, that being my least favorite. I love it, but it's my least favorite. Then the Sierra blend, let me show you a Sierra blend. It'll be this one, and that one is a Sierra blend. And then this one is like I think it's called Ashley blend, Ashley Town blend, or just Ashley blend. This is my favorite. It's in that. So we have that one capped, this one capped. We were using the what is that called? The little Coke stuff, but it got hard on us, so we're gonna have to buy another one. But I love it so far. For the plants, it's like the wind is really strong, so we have the bricks holding it down right now till I can put them in some flower pots. And I'm gonna put like rocks at the bottom of the flower pots and fill it with soil. But I love it so far. I really do. Now we just have that side to do.